a slightly bigger team than Harbury, and so what are some of the challenges that you have? Maybe it's with helping your team with their knowledge, or maybe the customer doesn't necessarily know what they want.
I think the biggest challenge, there's a couple of them. The biggest one is when a customer gets wind of the Zoho Suite, or they start using the Zoho Suite, and you start having pre-sales discussions, and even more so when you start implementing for the client, they start to see the power of what the platform can do, and a lot of conversations and tangents happen. You'll talk about messaging and customer portals and all the beautiful things that could eventually happen. But then when you bring it down to the things that need to happen to get the project going, it's important that you document the things that you agree are going to happen now, and the must-have things now, and the nice-to-have things can be parked for later, because the customer in their mind, the conversation is a lot wider than what you probably put onto paper. If they don't agree to that, then when they get the end product, or the first implementation, or the first iteration of whatever you've built for them, they might have thought that, no, we discussed X, Y, and Z, but you actually only documented X that we're going to do now. So I think that's probably one of the biggest challenges, is make sure that the conversations that go off on tangents, that you bring it back and document what you agree on, what you're going to move forward to first. And that's going to be the biggest problem, or the biggest challenge that we face.